Hi everyone, welcome to the exam style questions for our polygons, angles in polygons. If you'd like the link to the full question pack, I'll provide that in the description below. As always, credit to Maths Genies for providing the questions. So we're asked to work out the size of an exterior angle of a regular hexagon. And if you remember from our previous revision lesson that we can use the formula 360 divided by n to work out the size of a single exterior angle. This is because all of the exterior angles, the sum of our exterior angles is always equal to 360. Okay. So we plug in our n is equal to 6. N stands for number. So for a hexagon, number of sides is 6. 360 divided by 6. That means that each exterior angle is 60 degrees. Okay, to work out the size of each interior angle in a regular octagon, there's two ways we can go about this. I'm going to go about it in the way using the formula n minus 2 times 180. This is going to give us our sum of all the interior angles. Hence, 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 times 180 is, I believe, 1080. Yep. And then, hence, this is because it's a regular octagon, this means all angles and all sides are the same length. So, 1080 divided by 8 will give us the size of each interior angle, which is equal to 135 degrees in this case. Moving on, we have a hexagon, and we're asked to work out the size of angle CDE. So this angle here. So angle CDE is equal to 2 times the angle BCD. So from our knowledge of forming equations, which I made a video on if you guys don't know, we can call this angle 2x and this angle x, because angle CDE to BCD, angle CDE is 2 times our BCD, so we can form a ratio where the angle BCD, you need 2 of them to match. Hence, we can write the ratio as 2x to x. Okay, so we can then use these angles to work out. We can use the angles already given, so we can do n minus 2 times 180. This is going to give us the sum of all the angles within our polygon. So 4 times 180, 4 times 180 is equal to 720, which means they all total to 720. Then I can set up an equation and do 129 plus 125 plus 144 plus 121 plus 2x plus x is equal to our 720. Collecting like terms, we get 129 plus 125 plus 144 plus 121 gives us 519 plus 3x, which is equal to 720. 3x is then going to be equal to 720 minus 519, which gives us 201, which means x is equal 67 degrees. And this is our angle BCD, but we're trying to work out CDE. So we have to times by 2, which gives us our angle of 134 degrees. Moving on to question 10, we have shape A is a regular triangle, shape B is a regular octagon, another regular polygon is shown on the diagram. How many sides does polygon P have? So we know that the interior angles of A are going to be 60 degrees, all of them, and we know that the interior angles of B are going to be 100 no, so they're going to be 6 times by 180, which is divided by 8, which is equal to 135. They're all going to be 135 degrees each. So then we need to work out sorry, the interior angle of P is going to be 360 minus 60 minus 135. So we can then say that the interior angle of P is 165 degrees, making the exterior angle equal to 15 degrees, because we're going to do 180 minus 165. Then we can use our formula that 360 over n is our the size of our angle. So we can do 120 over 5, which gives us our 24. Okay, looking at question number 12, we can say that it says the diagram shows a regular pentagon ABCDE and a square EDFG. The lines CD and DG are both sides of another regular polygon. How many sides does polygon P have? You must show how you got your answer. So firstly, we can just label that each one of these is 90 degrees. And then we can say that each one of these pentagon angles is 108 degrees, because we use our formula 5 minus 2 times 180, which is equal to 3 times 180, 540, divided by 5 gives us our 108 degrees. Okay, that makes our exterior angle 72, like that, and our interior angle that means our interior angle of our P is going to be 360 minus 90 minus 108 is equal to 162 degrees. And then our exterior angle of P is equal to 180 minus 162, which is equal to 18. Then 360 divided by our 18 gives us our n, the number of sides, which is equal to 20. Therefore, what we can do, well, yeah, that's the end of the answer. Okay, so thank you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the